Hello and welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. Today we have a 1970 Dodge Superbee. This thing is hot Hemi Orange with the classic pinstripe on the back. It's been completely restored inside and out. Sounds awesome. This is a manual 4-speed, 440 engine. Has been completely restored inside. You've got your classic black bucket seats, some wood grain insets. It does have an updated stereo in it, but just a nice classic muscle car. That sounds pretty nasty too. Just want to do a little walk around for you so you could hear it. I'm going to pop the hood for you just a second. Okay, I've popped the hood. Just a nice sounding car. No squeaks from the belt. Just a smooth running engine here. But then you come around the back and she's got some pipes on her. Just a really, really good looking car. We're going to take it for a ride for you, and then I will do another video of the undercarriage so you can see underneath of it. Thanks so much for tuning in.
Alright, so we're in a 1970 Superbee. I think it's called Hemi Orange, but this thing definitely runs. Nice and smooth.
So good.
Gave it a little too much gas there. But she's very smooth driving car. Handles very well. Let's go a little downshift. Yeah, very nice car. Very, very smooth. I'm a fan.